So today I have a tutorial for you that shows you how to make a link page for your Instagram or your TikTok by using your own website rather than having to use a third-party service like Linktree. Now I'm going to show you how to do this using WordPress, but you should be able to do this with any sort of website builder. So let's go. Right, before I show you, I'm just going to show you what it looks like on a phone. So you can see here, this is one of my link pages for one of my websites. And each one of those is a button that will take you where you need to go. So that will load my shop page and so on and so forth. And you can then scroll through the products. Here's another example from my Create and Thrive website. And again, each one of these is a button. You can see this one's a bit more colorful. So, you can do this with all the colors and things like that to make things stand out as well. Now you might argue, why bother doing this if you have a website? Just send people to your homepage. And that is a great point. But sometimes you just want specific links to send people to because you talk about different things on that social platform. So for example, you might be running a special course. You might have a couple of freebies that you offer. You might just want to make it really simple for people, like shop, my mailing list, sign up, so that when people come from mobile, they don't kind of deal with that analysis or choice paralysis of looking at your whole website. They just go straight to where you're talking about sending them. So here's how to do it. All you need to do is create a new page, basically, which I've got open here. So I'll just title this IG, because that way you can just put yourwebsite.com/IG as your link, if it's for Instagram or TT for TikTok, whatever. And then that's simple. But I'm just going to put 2 because I've already made an IG page. Save the draft of that. And then you want to go into your visual builder, whatever that is on your website. For me, it's the Divi builder because I have the Divi theme installed on WordPress. You want to build a page from scratch because it's going to be a very simple page. What you want to be putting in there are buttons. Okay, so here's a button. And then it just is up to you as to what you want the button to say. Let's just make this say shop. Simple as that. Then you would put your shop link in here. So let's grab that link, pop that in here. And then you want to go to alignment and make it a center alignment so it's centered in the page. So let's save that for now. And then of course you can play around with the design as much as you want. So go into the button design, use custom styles, and that's where you can change everything to be branded to make sure it's in your brand colors and brand fonts and things like that. I mean, if it's your website, you should have your brand fonts enabled already, and you would have some sort of brand palette probably enabled here. You can do things like make the text raise, give it a box shadow to make it stand out a little bit more. Stuff like that, just to play around with the design aspect. And then you want to do the rest of that, fill it up. So here's my full one on my ethereal site. Obviously, it doesn't look like much on a desktop, but when you open it on a phone, it's very easy to see all of these links on the phone. Now, the other trick and the thing you probably want to do is to make sure it doesn't show up in your menus. So in order to do that, with my theme, Divi, we want to go to our theme options, I believe. And then you want to look for navigation. And then here, exclude pages from the navigation bar. So you can see here, I've got my IG page excluded from the navigation bar because there's no need for it to be visible and navigatable from my main page. The whole point of this is just for it to live on my Instagram or wherever else I might want to put that link to send people to a very simple landing page. And there you have it. Very quick, very simple, very easy to do. And it means you don't have to use third-party software in order to have a social media landing page for your business. If you enjoyed this one, you might like to check out some of my other tutorials. I will leave a link to them up here. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about how to have a thriving and profitable handmade business. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.